0787 Fatin Syakirah binti Shaharudin from class 3 TSC. For my virtual reality final examination, I have chosen project idea number 5, which is plant a botanical garden. Okay, for this final examination, I have used the software BINTI. You can see here, this is the interface of the software and the final product of my botanical garden. You can see on the side here is the objects that I have inserted in my garden. I got these from the website called Free 3D Model. You can see here, down here, there's a lot of objects that you can download, and if you download it, you press download, it will be in a zip file. You can see here. From this zip file, you have to extract it, and if you want to put it in the project, you have to paste it in assets file. It will appear down here, and you can just drag the object into the screen. Once you drag it, it will appear on the side. Okay, I will go through my botanical garden. You can see here, this is the front view of my botanical garden. Outside the entrance, I have put cars here. This is where the visitors can park their vehicles, and on the right side there is motorcycle and also scooter. And the entrance, I have put an arc-shaped entrance with statues on the sides and wall fences. On the right side, there's a little playground, a small playground with slide and a few swings that are surrounded with like orange, peach plants. And on the left side of the garden, there is a bridge that leads to a pond where there are turtles and a few ducks and frogs there too. In this park, I have also included a few objects like the litter bin, a bench, street lamps, and a few animals such as dogs and cats. You can see before, ducks, turtles, and frogs. And if you go through the garden, you can see I have inserted a bicycle here, and some visitors exercising on the side, and people playing chess in the middle of the park, of the garden. And on the sides, I have inserted trees and small plants. If we go straight, there are more statues. You can see a circle walkway with a fountain in the middle and small plants on the sides. Now, if you go deeper into the garden, there are more trees on the sides. And lastly, there are plants on the end, at the end. Okay, from the top view, you just press here, and then it will give a top view of the botanical garden. Okay, so this is the top view of my garden. You can see, if I zoom out, you can see the full view of my garden there. And here from the side. And this is the view from the front. That is all from me. Thank you.